In this video, I am going to review about this book on citizenship. Four eminent personalities have contributed for this book. Historian Romila Thapar, political commentator and editor N. Ram, legal scholar Gautam Bhatia, and eminent jurist Gautam Patel. In 2019, ruling government had made an amendment in the constitution. That amendment related to qualification of citizenship. This amendment had created much controversy and fierce debate in public sphere because this amendment was viewed as a discriminatory one against the secular principle of the constitution. So the case was filed against this amendment in Supreme Court. The matter is sub judice now. On background of this, these four eminent personalities have discussed the concept about citizenship and issue related to Citizenship Amendment Act. First essay. This was contributed by historian Romila Thapar. In this essay, Romila Thapar talked about citizenship and its historical evolution. Because in earlier times, citizenship is only related to elites. Lowest strata of the society cannot think about citizenship. But over the period of time, the lowest strata of the society had acquired the rights related to citizenship. They have transformed from serf to subjects, then to citizen. How this evolution happened? This was beautifully explained by historian Romila Thapar in this essay. Second essay. This was contributed by N. Ram. In this essay, he talked about political history of citizenship in independent India, its various phases. He also talked about the danger lies between the trinity, that is NPR, NRC, CAA. He also pointed out the identity politics of BJP and their view of citizenship in the larger context of Hindutva ideology. This was discussed by N. Ram in this essay. Third essay. This was contributed by Gautam Bhatia. In this essay, he talked about the constitutional provision related to citizenship, especially Article 11. Because Article 11 gives a plenary power to the Parliament to enact law related to citizenship. At the same time, Article 13 says any law passed by the Parliament have to conform with fundamental rights. So Article 13 doesn't give any exception to Article 11. So he tried to convey this point. Citizenship rules have to comply with fundamental rights of the Constitution. But what Gautam Bhatia stressed in this essay is we have to view the citizenship in the larger context of constitutional identity, that is secular, egalitarian and non-discriminatory. Fourth essay. This was contributed by Gautam Patel. In this essay, he emphasized the relationship between fundamental rights and citizenship. Because most of the provisions in the fundamental rights, it's associated only with the citizenship. He cites two articles, Article 15 and Article 19, that says persons cannot be discriminated based on religion. So citizenship qualification cannot be based on religion. This is the point he tried to convey. To support his theory, he cites various judicial decisions. These are the four essays that was discussed in this book. In this book, the four eminent personalities have stressed the importance to protect the fundamental attributes of citizenship that was envisioned by the country's founder and guaranteed by the Constitution. By reading this book, you will get to know about the concept about citizenship and its historical evolution, political history of citizenship in independent India, the trinity of NPR, NRC and CAA, and the issue related with Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. So this is a must recommend book to know about the citizenship and issue related to the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. Thank you.